Hi, it's Mandy from Little People Nutrition, and I have some exciting news to share with you. We have created Little People Nutrition's childcare menu, and the summer season launches in 2 weeks. This program is designed to take the guesswork out of the kitchen. Every season, 4 weeks of carefully planned menus with supporting recipes will be released. These are designed to support the Australian Dietary Guidelines and the Get Up and Grow Guidelines. But this isn't just a recipe book. Oh no, it's way more than that. Along with the menus and recipes, we will have live chats in a closed, supportive community. We will release video content weekly. We will have food education activities on hand that complement the menu. We will virtually hold your hand so your centre can achieve this. We are so passionate about this resource and the outcome we believe it can have. We have condensed 13 years of my experience into one easy to follow resource. We want to get it out there. We want the children in your care to thrive. So come on, join me on this adventure so we can make a difference to the health of our children. So sign up now, secure your spot, and I'll see you in the first live chat.